it. I can't believe I just did that.
Alcohol in there.
Oh. Dinner in the show.
Take it out.
I'm super cold, so I have socks on my body. She has a jacket and she has my blanket.
Yes, that's very nice mittens you have. And socks. Looks familiar to me. There's a head mask that goes with that.
Excited for the flight. We landed.
That's what I gotta say.
I slept the entire.
You won the lottery. Me too. I was asleep and then Amanda kept saying, do this, do that.
We've made it. Ta-da. Just whipped out my camera and Sierra's just butt naked. That's so funny. I can't believe I just did that. Okay, I'm gonna go in the other room. So I'm wearing this top from Brandy Melville. This is from Target. These are from PacSun. Bottoms are from Romway. And then my flip-flops are from Roxy. Hello, Mom.
Hello.
How do you like the resort so far?
I love it. That's awesome.
Oh, our butler's calling. This is our setup when we walked in. We basically have this whole suite over here, and then we have my parents' room, and then our room. That's a trundle bed. His room, and then Amanda's sleeping on that. Then this is our little setup too for the view. This is the pool. We have a connecting balcony. And it's kind of humid here, so the glass might fog up on the camera. Oh yeah, I think it just did that. Our ocean view. So we're staying in the I can't say Italian. Italian. Okay, so we're staying in the Why can't I say that? We are staying in the Italian villas, and we have like the, what's it called? That elite something. I don't know. Yeah, so yeah, the elite butler suite. So we have a butler, which is pretty cool. We have a butler. Sierra's putting on sunscreen, and then I'm gonna take her to the pool. We're gonna go together to the pool.
But we're going to the ocean.
Oh, we're running to the beach?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But this camera keeps on like fogging up, so I think I'm gonna have to take the GoPro when I go outside. Let's see what happens. Oh wait, let me back in when I come. Okay, so the view outside is perfect. Look at that water. Like what? And there's like hammocks everywhere, and it's really pretty and tropical. Can you see me with the view? Not really. Okay, I think we're going to the beach, so I'm gonna bring the GoPro.
Turks and Caicos with Julia. There's the beautiful Julia. She's so pretty. There's a beautiful ocean. That's more beautiful than this ugly Bergen. So yeah, now we're just walking. And now we're gonna go head to the pool. There's Julia's butt. Julia's bachushka. There's the pool. There's a bar.
I wish I had this right here.
Tamara.
My room's not right.
Calm down, Trevor.
No,
Get over here.
you don't understand. It's wrong. Trevor, no. Stop irritating. I can't.
We don't fight. Who put alcohol in there?
We children, Amanda, Julian, Sierra, and my Trevor. I like pina coladas and Bloody Marys in the morning, and I love to travel and buy things and drive my kids around to school. Well, I actually hate doing that. Trevor, what about you?
Hi. So, sorry, I have to take this. Oh, hi, Freddie Mae. Hi. Oh, no, you're Freddie Mac. Sorry.
Get your numbers right, kids.
100 million. I'm falling apart. No, I'm me.
Okay, Mom, be me. You're the only one.
I don't know. What should I do to be you?
I can't find an outfit.
Oh my God.
That's you.
I can't find an outfit.
That's you.
Oh, what? Mom, where you got a brandy? Mom, where's my jeans? My mom's jeans, where are they?
Okay, we just got back from the pool and the beach, and I'll insert some clips right here if I didn't already. But yeah, so I am going to go take a shower and then I'll get back to you guys when we go to dinner. Fresh out of the shower. The song is so good. My Aspen Override palette literally broke. That's really devastating. I cannot believe that just happened. I literally just bought that palette. That is so irritating. See, look what happened to my palette.
Hey people! This is how I do my routine. So once I take a shower, I get in this robe, and then I put my hair up in this thingy. It's coming out right now. And then I go dry my hair with this on, and then I'll pick out an outfit for me to wear once my hair is all dry, so I don't get my outfit all wet.
Do you see us down here? Call you when I need you again, which is funny. Everyone is sleeping in pills, the blame God got problems like he's sleeping on you. We turn our backs on him. What do you expect him to do? It's on the edge of prayers when nobody's praying to you.
I like this dress a lot. Where'd you get it?
Owlfish.
Jules, my hair is gonna dry and it's gonna be super hard to comb these out. I need you to move.
I should put all my stuff away. Wow. Okay, I need to take my hair out of braids, but look. Look at that. We're walking to dinner.
Going to French dinner.
Oh
Ooh
yeah.
la la.
This is the water part.
This is the diner, right?
The what?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Mom, is this
Yeah, they have soft serve ice cream in there. Dinner and the show.
This guy's like, he's trying to conserve some of the shape.
I want to go to the sushi place 3 months. That's you?
What? You look like?
That does not look like you.
I just did that.
What?
Wow.
You look like you're 23.
Singing, don't worry, we're not about a thing. He'll be with 3 little birds singing.
Okay.
Thank you.
Enjoy, guys.
Sarah, you want a picture right there? Wait, what happens if you put a flash on that?
So I accidentally threw my chapstick onto Julia.
No,
Really?
she threw it down the crack
It went down
over
the
there.
crack.
And now,
Oh, it doesn't.
no, don't. So now it's stuck. You guys can see. They definitely can't.
Okay, wait.
Can you fit under there? Sure, it's fine. It's just, you just grab it and get out.
No, I'm scared I'm gonna get stuck.
I don't think you will. Unless I do this.
Alright, just gonna get stuck. Stop! Stop it! Oh, no, let me out.
There's no way for you to Oh my god, that's so funny. Okay. Did you get it?
Help me. How do I get out?
Did you get it? Okay.
Okay. Now put that back. Okay, good night.
So we are getting ready for bed now, and I'm gonna end this vlog here. This was the traveling day and the first day in Turks and Caicos. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Turn on your post notifications, and next to that, there's a subscribe button.
Yeah, you now say join the post notification squad.
Yeah, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video if you comment. Actually, I can't do that until I like start posting these. So yeah, I'll do that like when I go on an actual posting schedule. But if you want a shout out possibly in a future video, comment down below. Where is your dream travel destination? I love you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
David Dobrik and like the Koshi robot. I just got kicked out of another restaurant. Really uncomfortable, like not confident.